Hi, today we are going to learn about interpreting pictograms. So first of all, what is a pictogram? A pictogram is a graph that uses pictures to represent data. A pictogram is also known as a pictograph or a picto. Here is an example of a pictogram. In this given pictogram, it shows the number of headphones sold by a salesman on 4 different days, where picture of each headphone is equal to 10 units. So, question number 1 here is, how many headphones were sold on Monday? So, number of headphones sold on Monday is equal to 4 pictures of headphones, which means it equals to 10 added to 10 added to 10 added to 10, which gives you 40 headphones. Next question is, how many more headphones were sold on Wednesday than on Sunday? So, number of headphones sold on Wednesday is equal to 5 pictures of headphones, which is equal to adding 10 5 times, which gives you 50 headphones. Now, number of headphones sold on Sunday is equal to 4.5 pictures of headphones, which means adding 10 4 times and adding 5 to it, which gives you 45 headsets. So we can say that 5 more headphones were sold on Sunday than on Wednesday.